Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning we're not doing so much food. We are, well, Regina and I are going to wash the gray right out of my hair. My hair gets, I've got so much gray in my hair, so I continuously put hair color on it. I don't know, maybe every 3 months or something. So your hair's got to be dirty before you do this. You can't do hair color on clean hair. It doesn't stick or something. So my hair is pretty flat and pretty yucky today. So we're going to do my hair, and I am using, let's see, Loreal Super Preference. And let's see, 9A Light Ash Blonde. And we're going to see, I am constantly getting different colors. The girl that cuts my hair told me to leave it light, that shows the gray less. And so that's what I'm doing. My original hair color is brown, I guess, dirty blonde, and so I just keep it blonde now. And it, I mean, you can see under here, see all the gray. So I'm gonna wash that gray right out of my hair. And so Regina is going to go on and do it, and I am just going to talk to y'all while she's doing it. I leave this on my hair for a right long time, and then I'll go take my shower and get dressed and stuff because it's Halloween. And I'm going over to my youngest daughter's house to see Caden and Journey, and I'll take a video of that. It's in the morning now, so I'm leaving here at 4 to go over there. It takes about 40 minutes to get there from where I live now. And so I can't wait to see them. I'll definitely bring y'all along so you can see what they look like too. Caden is Lego Batman and Journey is Batgirl. And I've got a picture of them that Kayla sent me. I'll try to get it in here. This is what they look.
I think the glasses have.
Okay. All right. Regina said I got to take my glasses off. So, anyway, well, also while we're sitting here, I wanted to talk to y'all a little bit. I wanted to tell y'all more about who I am and about my life and how I've gotten to this point. I graduated in 1975, and I got married I got married January the 31st, 1976. I got pregnant March the 6th, 1976, and had my daughter December the 3rd. Kim is my oldest daughter. She'll be 42 in December. December the 3rd. She's my oldest. And then I had my son, and he, when he was 10 months old, he got spinal meningitis. And back at that time, they did not have the shot that they do now. Now, kids get a shot so that you don't get spinal meningitis. 6 months after he got it, they came out with the shot. And he was 10 months old. He was born in 83, so this was 84, I guess, when he got spinal meningitis, and it left him what is called Stackable, mentally retarded, which I hate that. I hate that that's what it was called. That's what it was called back then. I don't know what it's called now. But he lives with my ex-husband, and we had a pretty bad divorce, so I don't get to see him very often. And then I have my third daughter, who is Christy. She's got my 3-year-old granddaughter, and my mom and dad adopted her. And so I see them, you know, I talk to her all the time and stuff, but they live, I don't know, I guess 15, 20 miles from where I live. So my oldest daughter lives a block away from me. So I get to see her right often. And so anyway, I grew up, I was, I guess what you want to say, chubby when I got married. I weighed 165 pounds when I got married, and in school, people talked about me all the time and about me being fat, and I was made fun of really bad. God, I wish I could get back to 165 now. Good gosh. But anyway, and over the years, I just got bigger and bigger and bigger after having my kids, and bigger and bigger. And when my youngest daughter was 4 years old, I found out that I had arthritis in both of my hips and my back. And it made it so hard to walk, so hard. And at the time, I was too young they would not do a hip replacement on me because I was too young. And so I kind of gave up, and I stopped walking and all that, and which I wish I hadn't done that now, because I'm in a wheelchair and it sucks. I mean, I think every day of where I'd like to take my grandchildren and how I'd like to be hiking with them. And it's fall now, it's cooler outside, and it just breaks my heart. But I've done this to myself. And so only thing I'm saying to y'all is don't ever give up walking. Don't ever. Because I did. And so, and also, I guess until recently, I never really cared about my weight. I really didn't. I mean, I was fat, yes, but I didn't diet very often. When I was younger, I guess I did. My mom hated that I was big, and so she put me in Weight Watchers when I was 16, and I went to Weight Watchers every week in the little town that I lived in, and it helped. But back in the day, you had to eat tuna or fish 5 times a day, and 5 times a week, and I hated it. Oh my gosh, I hated it. So when I got married, I just gave up on it pretty much, and I didn't diet that much. And I'll be the first one to admit I love to eat. I love to eat. And then I got diabetes, and I thought that my diabetes was going to just take care of itself. Well, it didn't. It did not take care of itself. So it's gotten worse and worse and worse. And now I'm to the point that my doctor wants to put me on insulin, and I'm not going on insulin, so I'm doing keto. And keto has really made a difference in my diabetes. I mean, people say that I've read so many articles, and my dietitian hates that I'm on keto, but I think that it's made a difference. I mean, my blood sugars have gone from 293 to sometimes 119. sometimes 170. This morning when I got up, I can't remember. I think it was 170 something. And I'm just always going to have that morning high blood sugar. Let me get a drink. But I mean, I'm a whole lot better now. I take metformin, 1,000 something milligrams, I guess, extended release. I take glipizide, and I take the shot every night in my belly, the Victoza, and that's so I don't have to go on. That's so I don't have to go on insulin, and I have been doing. I did keto last year for 6 months, and I lost 50 pounds, and it was better. And then I thought, well, it gets better, and you think you're going to be okay, and so I went off of it last November because Thanksgiving was coming and Christmas was coming, and I thought everything was, I thought, well, I'll be able to go back on it again after Christmas, and I couldn't. I just could not go back on keto until August of this year, and that's only after my doctor said I was going to have insulin because my A1C was 11.2, I think is what it was, and so I went back on keto, and I'm on it now, but I did have this complication with keto rash or keto itch. I really don't have a rash. I just itch so bad. And so now what I'm doing is I've upped my carbs, and I'm trying to get rid of this keto itch. And so, okay. Now it's, leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. I usually do 45 minutes. But anyway, so now I'm up to my carbs to try to get rid of this keto itch or whatever. And we're going to see how that's doing. I go back to the doctor November the 15th. Can't wait. We'll see what I weigh, because I've got scales in the bathroom, but I just like the doctor scales. I like to know and use those scales to see what I've lost or whatever. So I'll let y'all know then. But I look goofy, I know. But that's okay. I'm gonna not have gray hair, hopefully. But anyway, I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna leave this on my head for 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm going to take a shower, and I'll bring you back and let you see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I kind of like this color. I really do. This is 9A, Ash Blonde, Loreal Preference. Preference by Loreal, whatever. I think I'm going to remember this. Yeah, I like it. It's, my hair is getting really thin, y'all. I really don't like it. I used to have the thickest hair, but it's not anymore. And it's been pretty thin since I lost a lot of my hair with my first pregnancy, and I was 20 then, so that's been 42 years ago. Yep. I had curly hair, really wavy hair, and my hair was so thick, it was unbelievable. And I got pregnant, and my hair went straight, and I lost a lot of hair. And the doctor said that sometimes this can happen with the pregnancy. I mean, my hair just did a 360. I mean, it just went from curly and thick to thin and straight, and it's been like that ever since. And I've had curly perms and stuff like that, but I'm not doing it anymore. It's just the way I just blow dried it, and it's just the way that it is. And I've got to put some makeup on, and then I'm going to end this video here because I'm going to bring y'all along. I'm going to make a egg bake dish. So if you want to watch that, that'll be the video after this one. And then I'm going to do another video. I've got a surprise for y'all, so that'll be the second video after this one. So if you like my hair, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know too. I really like it. I really do. I like the way that it came out. Everything. So I'm going to get off here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also there'll be links below of things that I use in my kitchen that you may be interested in using. So you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.